Hi guys, this is Mrs. Warner from Southview Elementary again. Today for your response to reading activity, you get to make a comic strip. So think about all the characters that we've been reading about this week and how funny they are, or other characters that you've read about in other books that are funny. So you're going to make a comic strip. Your teacher is going to give you a piece of paper that looks like this. You can do 3 scenes for your comic strip, or you can fold it in half like a milkshake, and then you're going to have 6 squares in order to make your comic strip, whatever it is you want to do. Okay? Think about what is going to be your setting. Where is your story going to take place? Who are going to be your new silly characters? Are they going to be really quiet and sneaky? Or are they going to be loud and silly and really funny? Make some notes on your paper about what you want your story to look like. How's it going to start? What's going to happen in the middle? And how is it going to end? Don't forget, when you're doing a comic strip, you're going to do a speech bubble. So you're going to make a circle, put the words in it above who is talking, so we know who is making the joke or who is being silly. Remember, we've been talking about in our previous lessons about characters' facial expressions, whether they're mad, they're happy, they're sad. So think about that. I've included 2 videos off to the side here that talk about how to draw different characters, their shapes, and how to do speech bubbles. So you may want to take a look at those to get some ideas on your comic strip before you get started. Have a lot of fun, guys.